Filing taxes is a crucial responsibility of every citizen and resident of the United States. It is important to file taxes in a timely and accurate manner, as failure to do so can result in penalties and interest charges. This guide will help you understand the process of filing taxes in the U.S. and provide some tips to ensure that you complete the process smoothly. The first step in filing your taxes is to gather all the necessary documents. These documents include your W-2 form, 1099 form, and any other tax documents that have been sent to you by your employer or other sources of income. It is also important to have your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number handy. Once you have gathered all the necessary documents, you need to determine your filing status. The United States has 5 filing statuses that taxpayers can use: single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, head of household, and qualifying widow, with dependent child. Your filing status is determined by your marital status and whether you have dependents. The next step is to choose the right tax form that matches your income level, deductions, and credits. The most commonly used tax form is Form 1040, but there are other forms like 1040A and 1040EZ that can be used for different tax situations. If you are unsure about which form to use, the IRS website has a tool called Interactive Tax Assistant that can help you determine which form to use. Once you have chosen the right tax form, the next step is to fill it out accurately and honestly. Ensure that you report all your income and any deductions or credits that you are eligible for. Do not leave out any information, as failure to accurately report your income and deductions can result in penalties and interest charges. If you have any doubts about how to fill out the form correctly, seek the help of a tax professional. After you have completed the tax form, it is time to submit it to the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. You can file your taxes by mail or electronically, but electronic filing is the fastest, most secure, and most convenient method. You can e-file your taxes on the IRS website or use tax preparation software. If you owe taxes, you must pay them on time to avoid penalties and interest charges. The IRS offers several payment options such as payment by check, money order, credit card, or electronic payment. You can also set up a payment plan with the IRS if you are unable to pay your taxes in full. In addition to federal taxes, some states also require you to file state taxes. Each state has its tax laws and regulations, so it is essential to check with your state's tax agency to determine your filing requirements. It is also essential to keep a record of all the tax-related documents, including receipts, forms, and returns. This documentation will help you in case of an audit or if you need to file an amended return. In conclusion, filing taxes in the United States can be a complex process, but it is a necessary obligation that every citizen must fulfill. By gathering all the necessary documents, determining your filing status, accurately reporting your income and deductions, and submitting your tax form on time, you can ensure that your taxes are filed correctly. If you have any questions or concerns, you can contact the IRS or a qualified tax professional for assistance. Remember, the earlier you start the process, the smoother it will be, and the fewer complications you will encounter.